Ladies and gentlemen, this is not my first time to talking this story. You know, we have two problems. We have envy. Envy, they are an enemy. They are an enemy to everybody. If your children have envy, you have to know this envy, they attack you. They are not attack neighbors only. And you have to know we have friendly. Friendly, they are human rights. I told them we have two problems. We have envy, they are our enemy, all society around the world. And we have human rights, they are our friends all around the world. You know, before when Uganda they start problem, I talk to them leaders and I promise them, I told them, President Museveni, him to make peace with the party, to give him a vote, to return a vote to him. And now this party, now them to make peace, not to revenge the past. To think they can solve all problem. This problem they can end in Uganda, not to be war again. And I told them, Museveni, when he confused he want first to fight, to use the guns. I said her government, when guns they start, he find her government there be two parties, not three parties. And I talked with Kyagulanyi. Look, I talked to Kyagulanyi. I said na him he have to make peace, to single another note to come, to be another party. And I think there was a thinking, I'm talking liar. Now they not start to be lot of party. This is my question. I show you they start to be lot of party. Now, peace is very important to building a country. Now this is to me is another party. This is another party. Now, this party Kyagulanyi, these people, when they start campaign, when Kyagulanyi they start to join, they join Kyagulanyi. Now to me, this is another party now they start to come. Is another party they start to come, part C. Another party they've been one party, they against the government. Now, now, don't think there be this only. They come on another. And the Museveni government, na them they be like this. Waiting me. You know, brothers and sisters, Sudanese, when they have a war, they want to independent. Some Sudanese here, they was against me. Government of my country, they was support them. And them, they start to come to against me. They say, I'm a Muslim. I was in Spring Valley. When I go to study, when they come, they start to join in a people Australian. They start to abuse me in the class. Me, I decide to stop to go there to looking a job. Now, I talk with them. To me, I told them to me, peace is very important. Now, independent, don't think when you get independent, you'll solve a problem. I told them, to 5 years when you get independent, and you'll start to crying, to say better, this another party we fighting each other. And I told them to killing, and you'll find to killing each other, there will be more. You killing brothers, and the brothers, your brothers, he kill you. And you kill your sisters, your sister, he kill you. And I promise them, I give them 5 years. When they finish to get independence, to 5 years, they finish killing each other more to 1 million. I told them to 2 years, to 1 year, they'll be happy. To 2 years, they'll be happy. Next 5 years, they'll change. Another, they'll start to cry before when government, when country there was one better. And I promise them, you'll start to escape war. You go there, another country, you make separate. You make separate. Now, and when I writing my book, I put this story. Now them, to 5 years, and they start to meet me in the street. They start to forget. There was abuses in me. They start to cry to me. They start to tell me, my country, now they kill my brother, now they like this, brother, he killed me. When I start to remember, you know, some people, when he do something to you, he forget. I give him my book to read. And I say, you remember me? You remember me, Spring Valley? They say yes. They say you are true. And they start to remember, they remember they're not going to solve a problem again. Now, at this time, I start to talk to my country. I told them, President, is it not allowed to be like a dog? Is it not allowed to be like a dog? You have to be smart to make peace. Dog, when he eat food, now if the dog he vomit this food and he want to continue to eat this food, dog they don't want to destroy this food. Now leaders, the president, is I don't want to if they don't want to leave this food, he want until to government to continue to destroy everything. They did this government since they are born, property they have. Now before the property they don't have in, they go in government, the government and them they don't have a chance to eat this food. The government this and then they don't have a chance again to eat this food. Them they don't want to vomit this food to left there to walk away to go to good peace. To walk away to make a good peace to think they can protect them ourselves and to protect society. Now this is my message to want to show you around the world. Everywhere you go to my story, visit my book, Life in the Winds of Change, and listen, follow my page, all video. Every I'm talking, they're not going not to be, they'll be. Every country I'm talking, we have in a politician to move envy. Envy they destroy around the world. We have to think, we have to follow women rights. They protect around the world. They protect around the world. Every you miss for we miss for human rights. We miss everything. We miss everything. Now, I want to tell you, this party they start to want to dodge another, to be two party to separate. You thinking this party, them they follow human rights, them they not follow human rights, they follow envy. They look this Kyagulanyi he started when you were the start, they were the joking with not going to be strong. Now they look this time, this man is strong. Now they start envy. They start envy to want to against him and to want to against government. And already this party, na them they have already, when I listen to them, they follow this party they together. Na them they are not one party. This party I'm talking. This one.
Manya kakati mutandise kati mutandise obigattagatta kitegeeza waliwo kyemwagala okukola naye.
Now this part is when I listen them they're talking, they are not enjoying it together to sing they together. They have someone they support government. Now them they have another party, they another group, they and them they support a government. And this man he talking is a very smart. When this he was talking, na him when he listened to him, he looked down, he laughing, and he do this head, and he was her supporter. Now don't thinking they're not going to bring another problem. Wait, they bring problem. Uganda And this problem is not going to be Uganda only. Wait, they'll be outside. They'll be overseas. They'll attack all Ugandans overseas. They're not going to look in who this who is inside the country. This is my example. When I escape, I go Namibia. I start with Namibia. They ask me, where you Uganda, why you are here? Meaning why I come to spy them. They were not friendly with my government. Now look, there was an attack on me, and already me, I'm not government. When I go South Africa people, they were the support president. They start to attack me. Already me, I was not fighting with the president. I was looking where I can live only. And you have to remember, to this place, all I was a meet Sudanese. They start to against me to hit fighting me. And I was a meet people from Rwanda. They started to want to against me to kill me. When I come here, Australia, and I found another Sudanese, they start to against me. And I found Australian and them, they start to against me. And I found Ethiopian, they start to say no. President Uganda is our brother. Why are you fighting? You against president. And I found Somalia, and them they start to against me. President Uganda is our friend. Now this when I told you peace, when we have peace, we don't have this all to against each other and to support each other. Me, I support peace every way. I'm not support to revenge, and I'm not support to change something to start to revenge. People danger. To abuse him, meaning you are not protect yourself, and you are not protect him. To punishment him, meaning they're not going to protect you, and they're not going to protect him. To revenge him, meaning you are not going to protect yourself, and you are not going to protect him. Me better not to revenge him. To think you can try to reduce revenge everywhere, and to think you can try to make society together. President to torture society, to put them in prison, to kill children, to kill another, to abuse another, they're not going to protect him. And in us society, they're not going to protect us. Now, if we were not, now if we support Museveni, they're not going. What they're doing, they're not going to protect them. Him, he have to make peace, to give them, to make country together, to make peace. To think they can collect mistake country, to make peace. Now our children to get experience peace is the important. They are very important. This is the all envy. They cause the problem. They want to bring they start to destroy society. They start to bring society to kill them, to put them in prison. Is the envy. They don't want to single they can make peace. Everybody, society they vote to single he can go there and already to sitting each other to protect country. Now president he thinking envy. Before he was fighting in the bush, I don't want to move. I don't want to make peace. He have to get experience to make peace. Since he fighting war to Tanzania, they miss peace to be together. And he go in the bush, he fighting with another party, and he lost to make peace with the people he fighting with them in the bush. And he put party, already in this party, he missed peace to make peace with this party. Now, another they come against him, already you are not to make peace with them. Now this is her age to make peace with this party, to think he can protect his family, his relative, and his society. Now we need him first to make peace, and him to make peace. We don't need to revenge each other. They're not going to solve our country violence. They're not going to solve our country war. This is the example I told you. I was talking when they continue, they bring another group. Now Museveni, what he doing, he's thinking with him is not bring another group. Now him he bring another group. Another group, na them our government, they start to be group. Waiting, this one they be, don't forget me. When I finish to die, always remember me. Brothers and sisters around the world, we have to against the envy in the government. Government to follow human rights, to be freedom independent. To be freedom. They know how to against us everywhere. We have our right to be free. Government is not to control us, to take rights from us, everything. To control us arm, to control us leg, to control us dream, to control us choice, to control us everything. Society will win, the government will win. And will be government good. When they follow human rights, every country will be good country. And will be good society. Okay. I finish this video. Now I show you another party they want to come to these people. Don't think these people they come, they want to slow them, they have different with this group. No, they start to get envy. They look why me I was not do it before this. Now they want to get chance na them to come inside. And the society, when they start to listen, they start to listen to say, these people they're talking truth story. This group they come, I show them another game. This group
tutandike programu ya feno tugenda batwala akawolawola. Sandra mwalimu studio ne Gerald.
This group now they was the one group with Kyagulanyi. Now envy they bring them to see, to want them to come. envy, they bring them to come. This group, they were with this group. This man, they were the one with this group.
Kiche kikusibisa abantu n'okuteekawo kafyu kubanga onootera oteekawo kafyu era kiche kigenda okugisa ku internet ekintu kiri bwe kiti gwe kennyini
now this was one group. Now envy, they bring them not to be one group. Now this another one, they look, this is now why I was not to do myself to be leader. Why you are not to do it to be leader? Now they look this another Kyagulanyi. They start to look. He started to get power. Now them they say why we were not to do herself. This is the envy, and the envy I told you can win. When they leave, they be one group. They was the win all together. Now they start to gain ST, meaning now they start to be two groups. One group he will win, another group is not going to win. Okay, have a good night.